Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump intercept in Unmatched Ego. We'll start by defining what jump intercept means in this specific context, which is crucial for accurate data analysis. You'll learn why incorporating this method can significantly enhance the precision of your measurements, especially when dealing with complex datasets. Get ready to dive into the practical steps to implement this powerful technique effectively. Before we implement the jump intercept, it's vital to prepare your unmatched ego data. This involves ensuring your dataset is structured appropriately, with all relevant variables clearly defined. Double-check for any missing values or formatting errors that could skew your analysis. A clean and well-organized dataset is the foundation for achieving reliable and accurate outcomes with this advanced technique. Now, let's implement the jump intercept. You'll apply the specific function to your cleaned, unmatched ego data, carefully setting parameters like the intercept value, which might be 0.5, and any relevant thresholds. Pay close attention to the function's arguments to ensure they align with your analytical goals. After execution, review the initial results to confirm the intercept has been correctly applied, setting the stage for deeper insights. To maximize the effectiveness of jump intercept, always validate your results. Compare your findings with established benchmarks or theoretical expectations to ensure accuracy. If discrepancies arise, try adjusting your intercept parameters in small increments, perhaps by 1/10, to fine-tune the model. Remember, thorough documentation is your best friend for troubleshooting complex issues and exploring more advanced applications of this powerful method.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.